Grab from here.
What's by the front door?
What?
There's a package.
No, the only package is the. There's no package out front.
No, babe, there's no package.
Who's it assigned to?
What?
It's for me!
It's your what?
It's for me! Someone go get a knife.
Go run and get a knife.
Hey, don't go running like that with a knife. You'll slip and I almost cut my finger already. Cut the chicken. Oh, I did cut my finger.
It's for me! It's for me!
Jackson, maybe it might not be for you.
Okay, Charlie.
Here, let me see.
Watch out, watch out.
Jackson, give me the knife. Thank you. Come over here.
Told you it looks funny. It looks like it's funny.
What does it look like it's for you? Wait.
A jockey outfit!
A jockey outfit.
With a whip!
Yeah?
Look.
You sure it comes with it? Oh, yeah.
There's your horse.
What?
There's your horse.
See?
Cool. So guess what?
What?
What do you think you can do with that?
Wear it.
For what?
State report.
For your state report? What state?
To go blacker. What?
You excited?
To try it on when you get back from baseball, okay?
Why can't I just try it on now?
Because you get your baseball in
Oh,
on.
sure. But I can do this.
Yeah!